Maganda siya guys. So buksan natin ang ating bagong iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back to another vlogs. Yes, so today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng mga pinamili namin sa Amazon dahil dumating na today. And also, yung bago naming surprise for you guys na i-unbox din namin in today's video guys. May bago kaming phone na i-unbox natin today. So, hindi pa namin dumating na siya last week, pero hindi pa namin nagamit dahil hinintay namin yung case na in-order namin sa Amazon. So, ngayon lang siya guys dumating. So, ito na guys, at bubuksan na natin. Huwag na natin patagalin ang ating unboxing for today's video. At before anything else guys, mag-subscribe na ka sa channel ko. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment down below kung nagustuhan nyo ang unboxing for today's video. So, here we go! Alright guys, so mag-unboxing na tayo sa ating pinamiling that we ordered today in Amazon. So, ito na guys! Yes, ano to siya? This is phone case for iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes. So, buksan na natin guys. So, kakawi lang namin galing work and then, yeah, na-deliver na siya. Kita namin doon sa front door. May get home today. So, buksan natin guys ang ating phone case for iPhone 14 Pro Max. Ito na lang. Ayan. Tcharan! Alright. Oh, maganda yung cases niya. So, ito na guys. Ang ating bagong cases. Oh, what's inside here? This is this mine? Okay. Yes, this is mine. So I ordered green for my phone. I like the design of this one. I'm using the same company. I'm order the same brand kasi maganda yung ano niya. Maganda yung cases niya, soft and then medyo smooth. If you put inside your pocket, it's easy to put it inside your pocket because hindi siya sticky, nice. Yan. That's my design pa hard. So ito yung iPhone case for iPhone 14 Pro Max. Sa bagong phone natin guys, actually birthday gift ng asawa ko yung bagong phone ko kasi we just upgraded our old phone to the new phone. So right now I'm using iPhone 11 to vlog and we're getting a new phone. So upgrade lang siya guys. So my old phone right now I'm using it for iPhone 11. We're gonna trade in, return, and we get the new phone for less than we pay. Kasi yung iPhone 14 Pro Max is more expensive. So, we trade in, tapos naka-discount kami sa bagong phone na yun. Parang ganon. So, ito yung sa akin. And then, also, yung sa asawa ko, sa kanya, in-upgrade niya rin yung sa kanya. We have the same phone right now, iPhone 11. And he's getting his iPhone 14. Yeah. Yung sa kanya. So, ito yung cases niya sa kanyang bagong iPhone 14. So, again guys, we just trade in our old phone to the new phone. Upgrade lang siya guys. So, ito yung cases niya. Simple lang. Yung kaysa sa akin. Diba? Ito. We have 3 cameras for iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes. Ito 14 lang siya, iPhone 14. Yeah. So, ito yung case natin guys. So, and also we purchased a screen protector for our phone para hindi siya ma-scratch yung screen niya. So that it will stay nice and brand new. Wala siyang scratch. So, we bought this to protect the screen. So, ito yung guys. iPhone 14 Pro Max, and then iPhone 14. So, ito yung mga glass niya. Protector, tapos tayo dyan. And then, ito na guys, ang ating pinakahintay nating lahat, ang ating bagong phone. Ito yung surprise. So, unboxing natin guys. Ito na. Buksan na natin. Tara! Ayan. So, ito yung sa asawa ko. Ito yung sa kanya. iPhone 14. So, let's open it. Chan, charan, chan, 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 chan. So, yung color niya ay black. Sa asawa ko, black. Yan. Actually, I think it's already, open. Ito yung bagong iPhone 14. Yan. I think it's on already. Let's turn it on. Yan. Yes. Ayan, nakabukas na guys. So, tapos may kasama siyang charger. We have a lot of charger now of the iPhone. May kasama siyang charger sa loob. Ayan. Balik natin siya dito. Balik natin siya dyan. And then next, yung asawa ko, still opening. And then I'm gonna open mine. New phone. Tada! Ayan. Ito guys, ang aking bagong new phone. Malaki siya guys. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes. So, we're gonna return my iPhone 11 tomorrow. So, I'll be using the new phone to vlog, which is this one, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Look at that guy. Tatlo ang camera niya. Ayan. Gold. Yes, I picked gold color ng iPhone 14 Pro Max. Maganda ba guys? Comment down below if you like this kind of phone. Comment na kayo guys kung nagustuhan nyo ba to. Yan. So let's open it. Oh, la la. Look at that guys. Ayan, maganda siya guys. So buksan natin ang ating bagong iPhone. Look the difference. Oh. Diba? iPhone 14, iPhone Pro Max. Yeah. Ito yung malaki. Malaki siya. Look at this. Oh. Oh la la. Hello. Yeah. So, hindi pa siya po. Tapos siya guys. So, ito na guys ang ating bagong phone. So, I'll be using this to vlog. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yay. Tapos yung bagong natin, bagong cover, which is this one. Let's put it inside here. Yan. Yung bagong cover natin. Oh, look at this. Kasya kaya? Hold on. Yan. Tapos maganda yung niya cover kasi soft. Ayan na guys. Ayan. Oh, di ba? Oh. Oh. Ayan na guys ang ating bagong iPhone Pro Max. Let's see. Oops, let's go right there. No. Ayan na guys. So that's it guys for today's video. Ating unboxing with our new phone and the cover of my phone, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes. And maganda ba guys? Comment down below if you like this kind of phone. So that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.